Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast Edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking, yeah. So today we'll be discussing the beautiful instrument Zoom, ticker symbol ZM, Zoom Video Communications Incorporated. I have some very interesting news for you all. Sit back. If you are a Zoom bull, you had better stick around to the end. We have some very interesting details to show you. And if you guys just joined us, welcome in. Hit that subscribe button. There's not the norm going on here, guys. Stuff that's unusual goes on this channel, guys. So just you got to stick with us here. We make very interesting calls. So, the YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel when you guys leave comments and appropriate thumbs. So let's go ahead and dive into the chart here. Let's not waste time and stop being weird. Let's go ahead and dive to the chart, shall we? All right, so today's February the 3rd, 2021, and the current price of Zoom is going to be $382.37. It's down approximately 2.4% for the day. Okay, gotta throttle it down. The markets are open. We don't use our emotions in the market. Okay, well, I don't know what you guys do. Here's what we've been following. That's it. Man, this looks so good. Like, I don't even know how to describe how good this looks. Okay, I realize that the screen is red, but a lot of people, they get answered like, what should I do? Oh my God, should I sell? Oh my God, what? Relax, okay? The market has closed a 3-day candle above the level that I've been talking about for so long, okay? The markets appear to be holding support above this white line. If you guys are just joining us, this white box here we've had on the chart, actually when it actually came down over in like November the 9th, is when we actually came out of this box here. Okay, the box is in between. I'm just keep saying box. $375 all the way up to $433 is the top of the box. Okay, so Zoom is just kind of hanging out within this box. It broke above here. The buyers actually made an attempt, and the sellers just meant like, what are you doing there, bud? And just like really cranked this price to the downside. In fact, it broke below that box. It got a little bit scary. It actually scared me also. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But it broke back above this box, and it is in a beautiful, man. Let's close this out here, guys. Zoom is going to $433 probably within the next 3 days up to a week. Okay, you heard it here first, guys. Tell me, if is someone covering Zoom like so particularly like this? I mean, I think I'm nailing these calls. Maybe you guys disagree. Just let me know that down in the comment section, guys. But I really think that I've been covering this very extensively. I think I've gotten it, I think I haven't gotten it right every single time, but I've been covering this pretty extensively. Let me know in the comments. Let me stop rambling. So notice these three-day candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially, because we still have about 2 days and 5 hours to close on this candle. So as soon as Zoom can finish out its price action on this candle, it's likely we're going to get a move. My move, I'm going to say that the price will likely go to the upside. And I do see the price going it's getting a little bit downward pressure right now in the markets, but this is when I enter the markets, guys. These down days are beautiful days to enter the market, but there's a very particular specific, is that redundant? Either way, there's a very particular way that I enter the markets, okay? And right now, what I'm looking at, again, is a $375 level as support. As it's showing you here, I can't make this up. 1, 2, 3, 4 3-day candles have successfully closed above the $375 level. So what does this mean? This means that the buyers are stepping in here, and they're not interested in continuing the price to the downside. It's likely that the sellers who entered their contracts down here are probably going to be, their premium is going to poof with the wind, like we've already explained. So if you guys are shorting, because I think one of our commenters was saying that he was ready for Zoom to go down to the lower levels. I'm naturally bearish myself, but I put Zoom down. For the bulls, that's fine. You can leave a thumbs down for me saying that, but I take opportunity. I take calculated risks in the markets, okay? And I seen the opportunity, I shorted Zoom, and I got out of Zoom, and I've been looking for it long, and I'm in the market right now. We've already explained that, okay? So, yeah, this all could have been summed up into 1 minute. Zoom to $433. But honestly, I want to see Zoom bust through 400 and hopefully that wasn't too loud in your ears, guys. Sorry about that. $475 all the way up to this green line. That would make me feel comfortable, because again, I'm noticing there's sell orders overhead. I don't feel comfortable with these sell orders overhead. Zoom really needs to show me some strength. in order for me to feel comfortable knowing that my premium isn't going to poof with the wind. I think it's like a March something $600 contract, $600 strike price. Got at a really good discount. And some may be confused about, like, wait a minute, so you won't make any money if it doesn't go to 600? No, that's not how it works, guys. It's actually, we'll close it out here. I'll just explain this and we'll close it out. The way that I enter contracts are typically always on a down day, guys. I hate buying long calls on a green day. It never works out. It never works out. For me, at least. I don't know what you guys, maybe it works out for you. But I enter contracts on down days. You know, I do my sniper method. That sounds, has a good ring to it. It's kind of like a sniper method where I enter contracts far out on the money, out of the money contracts on a down day, above a support line, and I just kind of, I kind of limit myself into that, that fear when people are selling, and hopefully it turns out right, because sometimes I actually entered it down here at about $360 or $70, like $368, I think it was, and I kind of limited myself into that liquidity, and I actually continued to go down, and I got a little interesting there. I didn't get scared. But it was a successful play. So far, I'm going to diamond hand that contract for now. And I feel like I'm not really talking about anything relevant here. Let's go ahead and cut it out here, guys. Again, we have already said $433. $475 is my preference, but more than likely $433 is it's in preparation to get a test or breach of that level in a very short period of time. Thank you for your time, guys. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys are still bullish. Zoom. Let me know if you guys, if this is interesting to you. And I guess before we close it out here, I'll show you. We've been following this green line here, guys. It did exactly what I said, guys. It got back above this green line, the 50 moving on the 3-day here. And it appears that the sellers are trying to compromise this level. Do I think they're going to compromise it? No. Not because I'm long, because I understand price action. I look at this up every single day. They do the same thing over and over and over. It's not difficult to understand what the markets are trying to do if you look at it every single day. Can they close back below this line? Of course, sure. Why not? Will they close? It's too early in the candle for me to tell. Typically, when candles start out a certain way, they end the opposite way. I'll just leave it at that. I don't want to give too many of my secrets away. We'll cut it out here, guys. If you're new, we also cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. So subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll send you that notification, that information when it is available. I think we covered everything, guys. Take care of yourselves, protect your portfolio, execute your strategy. Know where you are entering this market. Know where you are exiting this market. Make sure that you have a stop loss predetermined before you hit that buy button. Take care of yourselves. I'm out of here. Yeah, I'm out. Take care.